Look, we've all been there. You're staring at AI, a response that is just total crap. It's robotic, it's off. It's definitely not what you asked for. Now, most people end up just hitting regenerate and pray that it gets better the second time. But honestly, that's a waste of time. Today, I'm going to show you a much faster way to get what you're actually looking for. And I call this prompting technique post-mortem prompting. So if you watched my last video, you'll have a little bit of a better idea about what I'm talking about here. So definitely feel free to check that out after this video. I'll link it in the description below. But anyways, I had hit a wall with this exact problem last week. See, I was trying to get the AI to tell me what a blues songwriter was thinking when they wrote a specific lyric. And the AI, it shut me down. It gave me its standard, I'm a machine, I don't have feelings line, but if you'd like, I can do this. That's when I realized something. So I changed just one little phrase. Instead of asking what it was thinking, I told it to act like a musician and tell me what you were thinking. And just like that, the floodgates opened. It wasn't a tech problem. It wasn't an AI problem. It was a vocabulary problem. See, these models are just predicting the next word. So when I asked about its mind, well, that tripped a wire that led straight to AI robot mode. But act as steered it towards creative mode. So it's all about the path that you put it on. So here's what I want you to start doing. When the AI fails and gives you a response that you don't want, don't regenerate it or don't delete it. Don't delete the prompt. Instead, interview it. Ask it straight up. Hey, what part of my original prompt made you give me this specific answer? Or what was I missing if I actually wanted it to sound like this? Or how should I have worded the first prompt to get it right the first time? You see, when you let the AI explain its own logic to you, you're not just fixing one bad email or one song lyric or whatever it is that you want. You're building your own personal database of how to actually talk to these things. So stop guessing and start asking why, because trust me, your results are going to level up so fast. So I hope that helps. If this did, please like and subscribe. Stick around for more information like this. This is what I do here. I try to teach you how to communicate better with AI. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.